children, welcome back to my channel. In yesterday's video you have seen how to solve the first main questions, and this is the model question paper 2021-22. It is a state board question paper. So today it is a continuation of the question paper. We are going to discuss the 2 mark questions. So here you have the first ninth question. In an arithmetic progression, the sum of 4 terms is 20. So that means S4. S4 is equal to 20. And the sum of first 3 terms, that is S3. S3 is equal to 12. S3 is equal to 12. So now you have to find out the fourth term of the arithmetic progression. If you want to find the fourth term of this arithmetic progression, you have to just subtract these two. So you have to subtract 20 minus 12. 20 minus 12, if you subtract, you will get the fourth term, which is equal to 8. So this is the first question which you have to do. You have to do S4 minus S3. Okay. Then next, moving on to the next question. Next question is, if a pair of linear equation in 2 variables are inconsistent, then write how many solutions do they have. So if you want to know that 2 pair of linear equations are consistent or inconsistent, you know that you have to compare the ratio. Here you have to compare the ratio A1 by A2 must be equal to B1 by B2, but that should not be equal to C1 by C2. It should not be equal to C1 by C2. This is the condition. So for this condition, they are asking how many solutions do they have. So they have no solution. Okay. They have no solution in this. Then next, find the value of sine square theta plus cos square theta plus 1. So now we know sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Already we know that this result. So now when you add these two, you will get the value of this as 2. Sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Already you know. If you don't know, you can write this in bracket. So you might have learned a few results already. Sine square theta plus cos square theta is always equal to 1. Then next, moving on to the next question. A point P divides the line joining of the point A x1 y1 B x2 y2 in the ratio m1 is to m2 internally, and write the coefficients of P. So the formula for finding out this is, so now if you take P of xy, so you have the formula. So we have to just write its formula. So that will be equal to m, to find out x value, mx2 plus mx1 divided by m1 plus m2. Okay. See, now here also you have m1 and m2. This is m1 and m2. So this is for finding out the value of x. Now to find out the value of y, it is m y2, same m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. m1 plus m2. So this is the formula. And this is the section formula. Then next, moving on to the next question. So next question, already we have discussed. So now here, state Pythagoras theorem. What does the Pythagoras theorem states here? The Pythagoras theorem states the hypotenuse square the square of the hypotenuse is square of the hypotenuse in a right angle triangle. In a right angled triangle equal to the square of the other two sides. Now you can draw one triangle to show. So draw one triangle here. And now you can name this. This is the hypotenuse. And this is the base. And this is the perpendicular. So now you can write. You can name it also. A, B, C. Name it. And always it should be a right angle triangle, right? It should be a right angle triangle. So now AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus perpendicular. Then next, moving on to the next question. Here in the figure, find the length of an arc of circle where the center is O if angle AOB is equal to 90 degrees. So here you have the angle. So now here we have to use the formula. So to use the formula, first we know here the angle is theta. Theta is equal to 90 degree we know. So now we have to find the remaining part of this angle, right? You have to find out this part of angle. So for that what you have to do is, first you have to theta will be equal to 360 minus 90. You have to do that first. 360 minus 90, which is equal to 270. Okay, 270. So now when you take 270, now you have to apply the formula. So what is the formula here? You have to find the length of the arc AB. So to find the length of the arc, length of the arc AB will be equal to theta divided by 360 into 2 pi r into 2 pi r. So now we have to substitute the values. So we know what is theta now. So theta will be equal to 270, right? 270 divided by 360 into 2 pi r. So it will be 2 into 22 by 7 into radius. So what's the radius here? Radius is 7. So now wherever possible do the cancellation. So 7 and 7 also we can cancel. And 27 and 36 they both are divisible. So 3 nines are 3 12s are. Again it is divisible. 3s are and 4s are. So now 4 1 and 2 and 2 and 22 you can cancel where it is 11. So now here you are left with 3 and here you are left with 11. So the final answer will be 33. Final answer is 33 centimeter. the length of this arc. Okay, then moving on to the next question. Write the formula to find the volume of a cone. So now when you take, first draw the cone. Always when they ask this question for 2 marks, draw the figure, though it is not asked, just draw the figure, mark its center, and this will be her radius. And now we know L, this is the slant height, and now this is the, so you have to find out what's the volume, right? So volume of a cone, write the volume of cone is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. You have to write that volume of cone is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. Then next, find the surface area of a sphere of radius 7 centimeter. So here surface area of a sphere. So what's the formula for surface area of a sphere? You remember? Yes, surface area of sphere will be equal to 4 pi r square. Okay, write that first, is equal to 4 pi r square. So we know what is now r. Substitute the value in the next step. So it will be equal to 4 into, what is pi value? Pi value is 22 by 7. Substitute 22 divided by 7. And it is r square. Don't write r square here. Instead write 7 into 7 so that it will be easy for cancellation. Many times when you write 7 square, they will cancel that square itself and 1 7 will be missing. So here it is 88. 4 into 2 is 88. So 88 into 2 into 7. 88 into 2 into 7. You need to check. So when you add, it is 88 here. And 2 into 7 is 14. Anyway, you can do. Just find the product. And the final answer here you have to get is 616 centimeter. Okay, always square. Surface area means it should be in square units. Volume means it should be in cubic units. Reason is here you have only r square. So it will be centimeter into centimeter. See, in case of volume, here you have r square and here you have height also. So in case of volume, it will be cubic units. In case of surface area, it will be centimeter. Okay, children, meet you in the next video. Until then, take care and bye, children.